Signs of toxic friendships and phony friends. 1. Most contacts are ones you start. Reaching out to someone shows them that you care about them. Both of you should participate in communication. Neither of you should do all the bending. One of the most obvious indicators of false friends is a low level of activity. 2. They simply assist when necessary. Only when they need something from you do fake buddies come up. 3. You experience an alienation. You may want to reevaluate your friendship with a group of pals if they never ask you out or, worse yet, avoid you. 4. False pals can't see your victory. True friends encourage one another during difficult times and rejoice in each other's victories. They are pleased with our successes. On the other side, fake friends are individuals who get irritable and envious when you achieve. So be on the lookout for those who don't applaud you. 5. They leave you behind to date someone else. You two are so well acquainted that you believe you will always be best friends. But as soon as they start dating, you never hear from them again. The truth is that friendships are just as crucial as relationships. And true friends are adept at striking a balance between them. Be wise enough to break off the conversation if they treat you like a doormat. 6. Liars. Like any connection, friendship is founded on a strong foundation of trust. They are not truly your pals if they lie to you or, worse still, spread false information about you. Additionally, you don't require them. 7. Never do they protect you. True friends are like families you have chosen. They support one another and give one another a boost. However, a false person you befriend won't ever speak up for you when you need help. You are left on your own to handle miscommunications or wrongdoings. 8. You are made fun of. Genuine friends won't belittle you. You won't be called unattractive or foolish by them. They offer helpful advice because they genuinely want you to succeed. 9. The use of false friends. Have you ever felt like your pals were using you? They might utilize you to obtain a girl's phone number. They might invite you to go shopping together so you'll wait in line for them. Or do they take you along for a road trip just to split the cost of gas? Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.